So I'm here actually at the MadJax manufacturing plant in Jacksonville, and just happened to be lucky enough to see one of the new Apex body kits. This is for the E-Z-Go RXV, 2008 and newer, gas or electric. It's just a sweet looking kit. You've got lighting, you've got this modular or panel design that is based on kind of the success that they had with the Storm body kit for the E-Z-Go TXT. This particular model has the Evolution wheels, 15-inch Evolution wheels with the GTR 22-inch street tires. This does not have a lift, so this is just a standard cart with just the basic stuff, but you take something that's, you know, however many years old and turn it into what looks to be like a brand new cart. And one of the cool things, of course, is its lighting. So it's got this bar that goes across the whole top. If it's connected, which we don't have it right now, but when it's connected to Bluetooth, you can do all kinds of crazy color sequences and stuff like that. But our turn-in signals, it's just a little bit extra, you know, just to give it that extra little something. It's got this great looking front grille, gives it kind of a beefy look. I'm gonna walk around to the back side as well. Yeah, so nice, the whole lighting system and everything is there. I'm gonna go back into the back and take a look. So you can see this is hazard lights on, but just to be able to show you kind of what the lights are looking like. So you've got, again, just the ability to customize. So this is this light kit that gives you all kinds of, so that's your brake lights, everything you need for street legal, all the stuff, and this big giant trunk area or bag area, depending on what you want, but also fits the rear flip seats and stuff like that. So great looking cart. This is the aqua color and looks awesome. There's 8 different colors in metallic as well as mold in, and I think we're going to sell the junk out of these. Thanks, Mark.